Michelle, the temperatures have done quite the crazy thing. I mean, we were like at 0 yesterday. Now we're up to close to 50 today, Michelle.
Yeah, that's about a 60-degree temperature change in some communities from yesterday morning to this morning. So we've had some snow on the ground, probably not going to be much left after today with the mild temperatures, and then a round of heavier rain on the way for the late afternoon and evening. But this pic of the day, the State House, beautiful scene shot by Ron Cease. So thank you for sending in that picture. 24-hour temperature change. Here's what we were talking about, that difference between yesterday morning and this morning. 50 degrees warmer in Smithfield, 60 degrees warmer in Taunton, 44 degrees warmer in Providence, and we are 45 degrees warmer in Newport, 48 degrees warmer in Westerly. Where does that put our temperatures? Well, 40s and 50s. So we did jump up with those temperatures very quickly this morning. It's taken a little while longer for the ground to warm up, so you're still going to run into a few icy patches, but it's melting quickly, and we'll see big improvements as the rest of the morning goes on. So big temperature swing leading the weather headlines. We do have another round of rain and wind on the way between, say, 4 and 8 o'clock in the afternoon and evening. We could see a half an inch to an inch of rainfall along with those stronger wind gusts. It looks drier here as we finish out the week. Icy spots early. Again, that half an inch to an inch of rain and gusts 50 to 60 miles per hour. Outside right now, we are dry. We've had a little bit of a mist and haziness in the skies, but even a little break of sun here and there. High wind warning starts at 1 this afternoon till 10 o'clock tonight, all of Rhode Island, southeastern Massachusetts. That's for those gusts 50 to 60. They could lead to some isolated wind damage and power outages, so something to watch for. That rain snow line has been lifting to the north. Problem is we had a lot of freezing rain, and we're still finding pockets of cold air over parts of Connecticut, western Massachusetts, even central Massachusetts. So do be careful if you have travel plans around New England for today. Low pressure center, the storm's going to track to our west today. It's going to swing a cold front through our area, and it's this batch of heavy rain that you see right along and ahead of our cold front that we're watching for later today. The timing of it, again, going to bring this in during the evening commute. So we're still talking about this being as much as, say, 10 hours away from our area, but the timing for us, not great for your trip home from work. Let's track it for you. So this is at 1 o'clock this afternoon. Still not a lot going on, at least over Rhode Island or southeastern Massachusetts. Can't rule out really at any point today an isolated shower or two popping up, but this main batch of rain, this will come in around 4 o'clock in the afternoon through about, say, 7, 8 o'clock in the evening. This is 7 o'clock. That line could bring a quick half an inch to an inch of rain, the stronger wind gusts, even some thunder. It'll clear out overnight tonight, and we'll be back to drier weather for your Wednesday. Still in the 40s tomorrow, too, so a nice February day. We'll climb from the 40s into the 50s through the rest of this morning and afternoon hours. Highs today not far from a record, if you can believe it. The record for the day is 60. We'll be between 50 and 55 at the coastline. Remember, the winds are coming in out of the south, so while that's a warm air overall, it will keep the coast a little cooler with those ocean water temperatures to our south. 56 in Scituate, 57 in Woonsocket. Showers, drizzle, and fog returning this afternoon. Mid-50s in Fall River. So the commute home from work this evening, some rain on the way. Temperatures should be in the 50s. Watch for street flooding, maybe even some isolated power outages as you travel home. 35 overnight tonight. That rain's going to end early. Gusty winds will continue. So late night lows down to 40, 45 for the high tomorrow. Partly sunny skies, and then it's a little cooler Thursday, Friday, but these are seasonable high temperatures. The weekend starts off tracking some rain or possibly snow showers. For Saturday morning, looks mostly in the first half of the day, and at this point, not a big deal for us. We'll be in the upper 40s Saturday afternoon and Sunday afternoon.